You said you were done. You promised yourself it was the last time. You deleted the app. You confessed the sin. But then it came back. The urge, the thought, the scroll, the fall. Lust is one of the enemy's oldest and deadliest traps. It doesn't just want your eyes, it wants your purpose. It wants your marriage, your future, your fire. But this isn't a video to shame you. This is a battle plan to finally fight back for real. 3 steps, biblical, brutal, and built for warriors. Step 1. Starve the flesh, feed the spirit. You can't conquer what you keep feeding. Lust thrives in darkness, secrecy, and convenience. The enemy knows if he can keep you scrolling, isolated, and distracted, he doesn't even need to chain you. You'll chain yourself. Romans 13:14 says, "Make no provision for the flesh." That doesn't mean manage it, it means kill it. You don't flirt with sin, you flee from it. If the app causes you to stumble, delete it. If your nights are your weakness, build guardrails. If your alone time is the trigger, structure it with intention. Replace passive temptation with active pursuit of God. Scripture isn't just a verse of the day, it's your sword. Worship isn't background noise, it's spiritual warfare. You're not just starving the flesh, you're retraining your soul. Step 2. Fight with structure, not just willpower. Lust doesn't just attack when you're weak, it attacks when you're unprepared. If your plan is to just try harder next time, you're already losing. You don't stumble into holiness, you train for it. Proverbs 25:28 says, "A man without self-control is like a city broken into and left without walls." Build your walls, set filters, remove open doors, build rhythm into your week, word, worship, accountability. Schedule vulnerability, not just when you fall, but before you do. Willpower fades, structure stands. You don't rise in victory without building a strategy in the trenches. Step 3. See lust for what it really is. Lust isn't a struggle. It's a strategy from hell, a full-blown assignment to erode your mind, numb your conscience, and strangle your fire. And it always comes disguised. It'll say, "You're not hurting anyone. It's not as bad as before. You'll stop after this one last time." But lust isn't passive, it's predatory. 1 Peter 2:11 says, "Abstain from sinful desires which wage war against your soul." Every time you give in, you're not just sinning, you're surrendering ground. Your intimacy with God, your boldness in prayer, your clarity in purpose, all under fire. But here's the truth, the same Spirit that raised Jesus from the grave lives in you. You are not a slave anymore, you are not too far gone. You are a warrior, and it's time to start fighting like one. If you're tired of falling, if you're done pretending you're fine, if you're ready to get back in the fight, this is your moment. You don't have to live in shame. You don't have to carry this alone. Jesus didn't die so you could live in defeat. Drop a comment. I choose victory. Let hell know you're done playing soft. And if this message hit your spirit, become a kingdom builder. Support the content. Fuel the mission. Hit that join button and help call more men to rise. Stay strong, lead boldly, and let your faith be your shield.